normal circumstances, this organization would have to be examined to see if it is a normal political party that should be allowed in a democratic society. Because you can't use violence, you can't use terror as a basis of organizing society. And that's what ZanuPF does. Yes, I've already said to our colleagues in SADC, I want to really appreciate the position that they took, that they did not congratulate ZanuPF. They did not congratulate Mr. Mnangagwa, because they know that he's not the winner. And I'm very happy and fortified by that position. Yes, some of you have said, oh, Mr. Mnangagwa was given the position of Deputy Chairperson of SADC Organ Troika. That position is given to a country. It is not a Mnangagwa position. I will take up that position as head of state once the processes have been confirmed. It is not Mr. Mnangagwa's position. It is a country position that should be known. So we don't want people who celebrate nothing and they want to make it something. He has not been appointed. There is no confidence even in SADC. That's why he came back empty-handed. He was not celebrated, he was not honored. You know that Lorenzo was actually, President Lorenzo was congratulated. MPLA was congratulated, but not Mr. Mnangagwa, because they know that the jury is still out. He has not won this election. The determination has to be made. The people voted and they cheated. So it has to be understood. And this is the message I have to SADC. Please help us help the African continent and help ourselves by making sure that you help us heal the division that is in the country. There is need for people to start to be on a permanent path to cure the illegitimacy, to cure the crisis that we have, the electoral stalemate. That can only be done if SADC were to come in and start to help us negotiate a respectable exit for Mr. Mnangagwa, a respectable exit for those who have been voted out. That is very